catch one! Me catch one of them! Catch ya now. Yeah man, wagwan people, welcome back to another episode. You don't know it's your boy Nigel, we're out here like normal. So today people, this is the first time I come back come fish since the hurricane here in Jamaica. Alright? So hurricane come and gone. So you don't know it's back to fishing. Look down man. You see that? This is my lucky spot, you know. When I come and catch some nice fish. So today I'm out here like normal as a fisherman, and guess what? I have somebody out here with me today, no people. I have one person out here to me today, no people. Look what I go on. Who this?
POJO the backpacker back again with Nigel, Yaman TV. Here we are. This is Portmore,
Yeah, man,
Hellshire
Portmore.
Beach area.
Yeah.
Yo, it's so nice out here. We got a beautiful house in the background. The water looks gorgeous. I can't wait to catch some fish today. Catch and cook here with Nigel. Yaman TV. Let's do this. I'm excited.
Yes, no man. So people, when you don't want to miss that video, when you have to stay tuned and watch what I go on, I'm going to show you stuff that we have right here. So we have 2 rods. And we bring all, guess what? We bring all the pot and thing. Not pot, we just bring a coal stove. Because we are going to roast pile paper some fish what we catch today. See coal stove there? So me have the rod them here. Yeah. And guess what? Me get the braided line. I get the braiding line because the last time I did come here, so I hook up some big fish and then bust off. Them bust the regular line they dip on it because the regular line is too weak. So somebody sponsor me them braided line here, so them I use today. That one you want some more braided line, but you don't know what I think go. So here I go on, I go set up the line them, put on some bait and some hook, and I have some shrimp in the igloo right there. So that I go on for today, alright? So we go and watch and see what I go on, people. Yes, no man, we out here as a fisherman. Believe. Yeah.
Where should I stand? At the end?
Yeah, you can stand right there, but you just fling it way out.
Yeah. And you think it's good with the wind? It's
Yeah,
alright?
yeah man, it's alright with the wind because the sinker is on it.
Alright, let me show you how it's done. Black Man the Traveler. Let me show you how it's done right here in Jamaica. You're gonna flick that line over like that.
Yeah.
I can throw it far, right?
Yeah man. Alright, lock back the bill lock back. Yeah.
Alright, I think it's in the water.
Alright.
I think it's in the water. Alright.
So POJO fling out him line, you know. Him say him know for fishing, so I don't have to teach him much. So make we see where him catch today, see if him catch not no big. So we are going and watch him and things. So I'm going to set up my line, you know. Put on some hook and some sinker upon it and see if we catch something. Right, you know, because if we don't catch, we can't eat. As I say, catch what you eat what you catch. But on everything me catch, me I go eat. You see me? So I'm going to set up my line and check in back with you. Alright? Look like POJO hook. Look like him hooked up down here upon the rock.
Yeah.
Where you say you hook something?
Yeah, I thought I did, but I only hooked the rod.
Oh, and see.
I didn't want to rip your line.
Oh,
I was trying to wiggle it out.
yeah,
Man,
man.
we can't go down there.
That's good, man. All we have to do is just start and come again. I say go with fishing, no people. Sometimes you hook fish, sometimes you hook the rock. What we are going to do now, we are going to just burst it off and start up again. Alright, so I put on some bait for my line, you know. Yeah. So we just set up POJO box. POJO, you see, I put on him bait there. Yeah. I'm going to catch a big fish in idea, you know, people.
I'm trying.
Watch what I go on, man. As a fisherman.
Yeah, I fished once or twice in my lifetime before. Alright. Good.
Yeah, man. I'm going to catch a big one, you know, because if we don't catch, we can't eat, you know. You see? So, watch where I go on. So, I put on the bait and I go throw right out there now. Because I have to catch something, you know. This is my first cast. Come in, come look what I go on, people. Right from the edge, me a carrying, you know. Don't know, so we don't play around, you know. Hold on, let me come to that side here. Out there, so me a cast. Look how the water rough. You see that? Watch out. Out there. Oh, look, I see one fish right there, so. Look like stingray. Yeah, one stingray, people. Alright, so we are waiting for a fish. A fish a pick it. Oh, it's deep. One thing do a breeze round here strong no blow. Whoa. I lie. First me I throw up my line and it come back in with bait. So hold on, away fish them gone. Look like the water too rough. Me I cast it out there again and see. Here we are going, we go check in on POJO, the backpacker, and see where I'm going with. See if him have any can pack in his bag. Camera lens full of water. Wipe it off. Go check in on POJO, you know. So you're going with POJO, you hook nothing yet?
What's up?
You hook anything yet? You catch anything yet?
Yeah, I caught a piece of seaweed.
Where you say you catch seaweed, you know?
I ain't catch nothing but hopes and dreams.
Yeah, hopes and dreams. Yeah, try, you not give up, don't it? Look what going on, people. Oh, look. Down there, so. If you slip, you slide. Yeah, as a fisherman, watch it. Yeah. Oh, just fling out the line. Have to catch something now. Where do you think your first fish are going to be when you catch him?
How big?
Yeah, no, wait, what type of fish you think you're going to catch?
I have no idea. What do you normally catch out of here?
We catch snapper and brun.
I'd like to catch a snapper.
Alright, that is it. Alright, people, so I'm going to bait up back my line and throw out there. And hopefully catch something. I know I'm going to catch something still. I know we're going to catch something. But I see kind of rough. And the reason being why it's so rough is because we get the hurricane here in Jamaica. So this is the after effect. The hurricane left on the sea. So it's kind of rough and the water look murky. You get me? So, but you know, don't know, so we still a try. We not give up. So I'm gonna put on some more bait. See bait now, I have the shrimp. And see my line here. This is a noodle rod. Where a subscriber sponsor me. Bought it and bring it down for me. So yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna put on some more bait and throw it out to sea again. And see if we hook anything, alright? As a fisherman. Try a next spot. And see we're going right here, so. See that? But right here, so my bone, my nose, I have to get wet. Alright, me I get picked down here, so. I think me I carry my bait come right here, so. Come try it. Me I get picked down here, so. that? Up there so me not get no pick. Down here so me I get pick. Bombard! I tell you, down here so me gonna get wet. Look there. Bombard. Yeah man, down here so right here now I'm soak. People, wipe off the camera. I'm soak right here now. From head to toe. From toe to head. So right here so I know say I did get soaked. My wipe off the lens. I know say I did get soaked right here so, but it look like the fish then the right here so. You see me? So I go throw a line again. And I put on some more bait on it. So I go throw it back out there again and see what goes on. But look what I go on. Come I do one eye flash up again. One eye more flash up. But POJO the way up there, so I don't know if you can see him, but in the way up top, I try him look. Cause I don't know, say as a fisherman, sometimes you catch, sometimes you not catch. Sometimes the fish them go and eat off the bait and then next time, you just start hook them. Okay? That is it. So now go and stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yeah, drench right here so. May I move? The sun is going down. You catch one? Look like POJO catch one. You catch one? Ah, plastic bag in catch too. Oh. My man says Syrian catch something. Where's a plastic bag in catch? So the sun is going down. So hopefully we can catch something here now. And the sea look like it'll get calmer. So my line them burst off about 10 to 15 times, you know. I don't know why. But round here so my line don't normally burst off that much. I wonder because I wonder if I threw the sea so rough. Why it keep on bursting off, but all now we don't catch a fish. So, and the cold stove there, they're ready to cook something, you know, man. But let us see. Yeah, we not give up no matter what. Still a try, alright? So now go and stay tuned. Look then, man. Out at sea. Yeah, POJO!
Yeah! Good size fish!
Yeah, man! Yo, POJO, you know long more catch one of them fish than? Yo!
We've been waiting
a long time more catch one of them fish, man. Look that man! Oh my gosh! I see it, I tell you, POJO. Yo! Yo, excitement!
These are big boys!
Yo,
I'm pumped right now. It was worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it, man. Worth it. Look at that, people. Yeah! Oh my gosh!
I feel like we accomplished so much just now, even though he caught it. Big ups.
Yo! People, yo, I'm excited. A long time I want to catch one of them big fish, man. January style. And look, them, me catch one. Me catch one of them. So you are going, them the right there, so I'm going to put on some more bait and throw back out there. Yo, can't believe it. Yo, I'm going to bait up and come again. The braided line, worth it. Yeah. So I catch my first big snapper here. Look at that now, man. See there? as a fisherman outside. So here what I gonna do, me I bait up at my line and throw back out there and say me can catch 2 more of them here, alright? So no come in. So people, me throw back my line out there. Sorry, me even did have on the camera when I could have seen when me I really mean. But I feel more of them are picky. See if we can catch one more. Hook up one more, come in one more. Yo, that's a nice fish. That's a nice one. If me still use the noodle rod, me wouldn't catch him in there with a burst off and get to a star. What you go on here now? And a good thing me have the braided line. Come in people, I could say if we catch a next one. Feel them and pick it in. Hurricane Beryl bring that big snapper they come give me. Thank you Hurricane Beryl, you give me a big snapper. Beg you 2 more, beg you 2 more. See, let me pick it down there, you know. I know I go catch 2 more or 4 more. Watch what I go on. Go back out there again. So no, not no more yet. So what I go do now when I reeling back the line, I wipe off the line. When I reeling back the line now, I go catch the fire when I go roast file paper fish right now. So I catch the fire, then I go steal the fish and then I come back. Come seasoning and put him in a file paper and make him go and cook. Meanwhile we go and catch some more. Alright, so we go and stay tuned and look out for that. As a fisherman, we out here like normal. You see me? Yes, no man. As I did tell you in the beginning, it's a youth not easy to give up, you know. No matter what, you know. Keep and try. So in life, if something not work, it don't mean you have to give up. You have to keep and try. You see it, you will success. Alright? So that I go on and what I go on. So I could go and watch and see what go on. Alright? So when we check in back, I fire we a catch. Or probably we are reeling one fish. Alright? Watch the process. Believe! Oh, that's it. Where's the POJO? Yes, no man. Remember the people, if you don't check out POJO, the backpackers yet, you know, him link down in the description. You need to check him out. Alright? Him travel the world and now him there at Jamaica. And I travel around Jamaica, alright? That is it. Outside. What? Yeah! Yeah man, good snapper. POJO just catch one. How are you now, say?
Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go!
As a fisherman, see there? A good size that, good size that. Yes no man. Look there. One snapper. POJO, hold it.
What kind of fish is this?
One snapper, one smaller one to the big one we just catch. But this is a good size, this is a keeper. Yeah. As a fisherman. POJO the fisherman.
Alright, this one might be tough to get out. Oh,
Yeah,
we're almost there.
man.
Probably putting him in so much
Yeah.
pain. Yes,
That is
sir.
it.
Oh!
Man, whole of fish. What you mean? It never give up.
Damn.
So them behave, man. So like you know say man go wrap up. No matter. Try get where in Iraq.
Oh fuck. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
That is it.
There we go.
Yeah. As a fisherman. Yeah.
That was good.
Good. Yeah. They are trying to catch a fire. The breeze are going a hard time. Watch what I'm going on. But it could have deal, and it could catch today. Catch ya now. So what we are going to do now, we're going to scale the fish and then come back and put the fish on it. We go and roast. A roast. When you put the fish in a file paper, a roast it or what? No tell me. Where's the POJO? As a fisherman.
Yeah. Where's
Yes, no man, look. So we're going to scale out the fish and check him back. Alright, so people, we are scale the fish. We find one little puddle of water right here, so because we don't have enough water to wash the fish. So we find a puddle of water, we're going to scale it and wash it off right here. So. But look what I'm going. As a fisherman. First time I catch a big snapper like this. We're going to pile paper in. Catch her and her son. See her son there, her daughter. Gill. Yeah, that's sure that. So what we're going to do now, we got the fish, so we're going to cut it and put seasoning in it. Alright, so we are cut it from down here and then we'll go back up where we are going to cook it and season it. Alright, we are doing it like this. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, so we are go up now, we season it, so we lock in, we see that, alright? As a fisherman. The butter. We have to butter the file paper. Because we don't want the fish to burn up. You get me? Just like that. Rub on the butter on it. rest that there's a liquor. Grab with fish. Seasoning. Just like that. Rub on the seasoning. And we're gonna go inside of it with the seasoning. And on the next side. Gosh, man. Make sure so them creases that get a whole for seasoning tonight. Well seasoned. So now what we do now? We come back to a file paper. Like that. Whee! Right. Fold it like that. Fold like that. This up. This up. Yeah. So it's ready for the file for the pot now. So we're gonna put it down. Come in and now we are go by fire. Get this from earlier and leave it, make it burn.
Alright, fire's done. We got the season, or we got the. Alright, fire's done. We got the meat season. Here we are. This is how we roast it on top of a fan cover.
Yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna left it. I'm gonna leave it, make it go and cook. Go and throw some more lines, see if we can catch at least 4 or 5 more of them big fish, alright? As a fisherman, and lock in. Two. So watch what going. We have a fish them right here so on the stove for go and roast. So I'm going to throw back my line now and see if I can catch some more fish, alright? So make them they go and roast as them they done roast, done cook. We are going to devour them, alright? So we're going to throw up the line now, see if we can open up no more. Come in. As a fisherman, watch what I'm going. Alright. Wait for a big fish to grab it now. And roll him in. Right? Alright, so watch what I'm going now. I check in on the fish on the grill and see if it turn it. But we should not could have smell it. The aroma that have come from it. But we're going to turn it. We're going to flip it to you next time. Oh look! Hot, hot! Hot like fire! And a fire at the pan. Woohoo! Hot! Alright, so we're gonna left it, make it go and do him thing. We have my line that they set out. Hopefully if we catch our next one. So watch what go on, people. We take off the fish off the fire. See that? We make one little table. See him right there, so. So we are going to do here now. We are going to devour it. So now come in and watch what go on. Alright? Where's the POJO? You ready? Look at that, people. Well roasted, it did that burn. But yeah, we are going to dig in it now. Come in, POJO.
Yeah, it's looking good right here.
Digging it, man.
Alright.
Afraid to eat it. You see it? And we catch it. You see it, people? And we catch it and not just me. Alright? So I go digging it and enjoy it. Wipe off the lens. Yeah. Right, yes. Hot, no?
Very hot. That meat
Watcha.
is so good. The seasoning is perfect too.
Oh my gosh. This is good. My favorite fish dish. Yo, every time I come see I them fish I'm gonna catch, man. No man. How it taste, POJO?
It tastes good. I like it. The meat right here is so fresh. It's just so fatty. It's perfect.
Yeah, man. And you know, so one time when we were here, I that one day for the go catch no fish. Come here and say, John was star. Nah, catch no fish, but I say, nah, give up no matter what. You see it there? Catch what you eat what you catch. That is it. So I go and dig in it and thing, alright? Watch out. I'm afraid to slap with fish, man.
Yo, you guys, you know normally I don't eat fish, but this right here, I like roasted fish 10 times better than fried fish.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, for sure.
I like it when it's steamed.
Steamed?
We are steamed with some okra and some other vegetable inside of it. Some I like it. Still they are devour fishing of people. Let's say I enjoyed POJO.
Yeah, it was good. But the fish eye, it wasn't good.
I want to like the fish eye. Right on the seaside. People, I think me I gonna end the video. Cause night I get dark and I no light. But this is the way turn out left out of the fish. Right? Skellington. Rome. POJO.
Yo.
What I have to tell them? Cause we are in the video now. So
yeah, I appreciate Nigel Yaman TV again for taking me out. Yo, I had a good day. Genuinely, I don't like fishing. I have no patience whatsoever. But today, we were here for quite a while, and it was a good vibe. He caught the fish. If he didn't catch the fish, we ain't gonna be eating. We would have been at the market getting the fish.
yeah, man.
And that's it. Big up. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. For real. So people, when you can go over him channel on YouTube is POJO the backpacker. So now go over there and check him out and show him some love here as a fisherman. Alright, so big up on yourself again. Enough love and respect. We are out here like normal. We are out here like no. If you don't believe, ask God. So we catch you in our next video outside. Watch how I go on.